United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 72, Restrictions on Transfer of Rights, 1. Rights provided under Articles 69 and 70 to exploit living resources shall not be directly or indirectly transferred to third states or their nationals by lease or license, by establishing joint ventures, or in any other manner which has the effect of such transfer unless otherwise agreed by the states concerned. 2. The foregoing provision does not preclude the states concerned from obtaining technical or financial assistance from third states or international organizations in order to facilitate the exercise of the rights pursuant to Articles 69 and 70, provided that it does not have the effect referred to in paragraph 1.